Green9 from Key to Life Supply. This is our precise blend of organic powdered micronutrients plus amino acids to enhance growth for all stages of plant life. So what are amino acids, and what can these micronutrients supply for a garden life? First of all, micronutrients are those very tiny particles in soil like magnesium, iron, and zinc, just to name a few. As your plants grow, they slowly absorb these mini nutrients in order to thrive and inevitably fruit and flower. But without these added micronutrients, the plants will slowly deplete the soil of these nutrients, leaving them with nothing left to absorb, causing stunted growth, disease, and unnecessary plant sadness. Just like us as humans, we need healthy and organic food for a happy and active lifestyle. Plants should also be treated with the same kind of care. It's like restocking the fridge with all those raw organic goodies your body needs to survive. Now your soil, just like your fridge, will also be full of all the organic micronutrition your plant needs to thrive and survive in optimum conditions as well. So what about the amino acids then? And how do they play a role in micronutrition? Amino acids are the molecules that combine to create proteins. In other words, amino acids are the essential building blocks of all life. So Green9 supplies amino acids plus a special blend of micronutrition to create the elements that equal life. For more products and growing supplies, check us out only at keytolifesupply.com.